everyone, this is Shan. So in today's video we are going to see about a new platform called Azim platform. What is Azim platform? ASEEM, Azim platform. Atmanirbhar skilled employee employer mapping platform. So what is this? We are going to see in this video. So Azim platform was a very good initiative by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Basically, Azim platform, it is an artificial intelligence based platform which is used to map the skilled workers based on regions and local industry demand. So, mapping the skilled workers based on the region where they are, skilled people where they are located, and based on the local industry demands. What the local industry demand, what kind of skilled laborers the local industry demand. So, based on this, they are finding. So, what is the basic aim of this platform or portal? It is a mobile application too. So what is the basic aim? To bridge the gap between demand to bridge the demand supply gap between the skilled workforce in the skilled workforce. That is it. Just to fill the gap between demand and supply in the skilled workforce. What is the main aim of this platform? So that is one main reason behind this platform, why it is formed. So to map the skilled workers and to provide them their livelihood opportunity. Okay, so why? Because this is we are providing with livelihood opportunity to them. This is a need of the our initiative. Actually, this platform is must in current situation because we are under public pandemic health crisis. So what we did, we sent many migrant workers who stayed in our state and who worked here. We sent many people to their native place, and likewise many people who stayed outside our state, they also returned back. So now the people can't able to return back to their original workplace. They lost their job. There is no employment for them. They are simply in their own state in search of employment. So to make it easier for their to provide job opportunity for them, Skill India initiated this platform. So in this platform, uh, the skilled workers can register everything about them, and there are many agencies, companies, employers, job seekers, job aggregators around us, and they can able to pick up the skilled workers who are necessary for their industry, companies, etc. So that this is the main aim of this platform. So what is the main function of this platform is integrating all kind of database of the skilled workers, that is mainly migrated laborers and returned overseas citizens, collecting all their data and uploading in this platform, so that the job aggregators and agencies can easily get through this platform, and they can easily choose what kind of skilled laborers they need. So it is mainly the integrated platform. Everything, each and every detail of the workers are available in this platform. Likewise, what I said, the migrated laborers in India, returned overseas citizens, all these people's biodatas are integrated. They are filed under Swadesh skill cards. They are provided with skill cards. Okay. So, and not only this, they used to collect candidates' data from many other state and central skilling workforce, and they are integrated into the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana and fee-based data, fee-based participants, and in many other sectors, they all integrated in one single platform, that is Azim platform. So this is very very important. Through this platform, employers, job seekers, and job aggregators, everyone can access through all kind of database through fingertips in this platform. So this is it. And what are the specific functions provided in this? Registration facilities available in this platform, or this application, mobile application. And one more thing is the workers can upload their resume, like what are the skills they have. So they can upload their skills under which sectors they have worked previously, like what kind of jobs they did, everything they can upload. The workers can upload in this platform. So this is it. This is about the ASEAN platform, Atmanirbhar skilled employee employer workforce mapping platform. Thank you.